now we are going to start with relative velocity in vector form. Relative velocity in vectors. We are going to start with this one today. Okay? And we are going to complete some of the questions so we can get the idea okay, how we are going to solve these are kind of questions. Okay. Now these questions are not given in your CAD math book, the book which we use for our working. That is not given. These questions are not given over here. Mostly these questions are given either in your IGCSE and book, okay, or they are given in past papers, right? So I am going to solve some of the past papers questions today. Okay, I will be telling you the year, what is the year in which those questions are coming, and I will be giving you the question wording so you can get the idea of, okay, what is the question saying, what is the question asking, and how do we work for that. Okay, so starting with first one is October November October November 2002 paper 1. Okay, October November 2002 paper 1. This is my first question, and in this question first of all they have given us a diagram. This is the diagram given to us. This is x, this is y, and this is your origin. Okay, that is the first thing given to us. Now they are saying that at 1200 hours time is given on a clock that at 1200 hours a ship P is at a point. Ship P is at a point with position vector. Now this thing is given over here that this is point P. Okay, and the position vector which is given P is not over here, P is over here to be exact. Okay, and the position vector is given 50 J. Position vector is given 50 J. What does it mean? It means that over here only it is moved in y-axis, no x-axis component is given right. Okay, so how will I write it? I can write it as OP, position vector of P from O is 0, 50, either you can write it in vector form or 0i plus 50j. You can write it like this also, or you can directly write it like this. Okay, that is the first thing given to us, right? And now they are giving us another ship Q. This is the point, just a roughly made point, and they are saying that the coordinate of this point is 80, comma. So now, what we are going to do over here, that we are going to see, okay, how can we comprehend what is given us to about Q. Okay, Q is given 80 and 20. So how will I write Q? Either I will write it in matrix form. So how will I write? I will write 80 and 20. If I will write it in IJ form, so x-axis is represented by I and y-axis is represented by J. Okay, so when I am going to write I and J over here, it means that 80 is representing x-axis and 20 is representing y-axis. Okay, this is the thing given to us. Now, and this thing is shown in the diagram. The diagram was given in the question. Now they are saying that ship P is moving with a velocity. Okay, ship P is moving with a velocity, and what is that velocity given to us? They are saying ship P, which is this ship, is moving with a velocity of 20I plus 10J. Okay, so when I have to write it in matrix, I will write it without I and J. or 20i plus 10j, this is given to us, right? Now, after that, they are saying that ship q velocity is given, and this one is given as kilometer per hour. This one is given in kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, then VQ is also given to us. VQ means velocity of Q, which is given over here, and the velocity of Q is given. I'm writing it over here. Minus 10i. Okay, minus 10i is given over here, and 30j is given. So I'm writing in vectors, in matrix form. I will be writing it like this, or minus 10i plus 30j kilometer per hour. Again, it's in kilometer per hour. Both velocities are given. This one is given in kilometer per hour, and this one is given in kilometer per hour. Secondly, make sure that this kilometer per hour is with both things. In the same way, kilometer per hour is with both of them. So you have to write it in the combined form. You don't have to write it only with I or J. It's 20i plus 10j kilometer per hour minus 10i plus 30j kilometer per hour. This is the scenario given to us. Okay. Now this was the information which was given to me. Okay. Everything which is happening right now, that is happening at 1200 hours. Okay. Now let's go to the A part of the question. They are saying that find the expression. Find expression. Okay, I have to get the expression. Expression for what? Find expression for position vector of P and position vector of Q at time t hours after 12. I have to find position vector of P and Q after t hours. Okay, I have to find this one. How will I find the position? So I have got Vp and I have got bit of Vq. Okay, so we know that distance traveling. How do we write distance traveling? Distance traveled is equals to what? It's always velocity multiplied by time. Okay, so when we are going to talk about for P, the distance traveled by P, what will be that? So distance by P will be equals to Vp multiplied by T. Okay, Vp multiplied by T, and what's my Vp given to me? Vp was given 20 plus 10. Vp was given 20 plus 10. So 20 and 10 multiplied by T. So when I will multiply, this will become 20T, 10T. I multiplied them. This multiplied by this multiplied by this. Distance traveled by P is right now coming this. Okay, so I have to find the position of P after time T. I have to find position of P after time T. So how will I work with that thing? I will take, first of all, OP, whatever was my OP given, plus the distance traveled in T time, that was Vp multiplied by T. So what was OP given to me? OP was given 0 and 50. 0 and 50. What is Vp into T given. That's written over here. Vp into T. 20T, 10T. So when I will simplify it, this will become 20T 50 plus 10T. Now make sure that most students do this thing. Okay, this is written 50 plus 10T. Let's add 50 and 10. No, you will not do this thing. Okay, it's 50 plus 10 multiplied by T. Be sure about that thing. Okay, now the same thing I'm going to do for Q. For Q, we have got again distance by Q. When I will go for distance by Q, what will I do? I will do VQ into T. Okay, I will go for VQ into T over here. So, what will I do? Again, what was my VQ given? My VQ was given minus 10 and 30. That was my VQ given over here. So, minus 10 and 30 multiplied by T. So, when I will multiply it, what will I write? That will become minus 10T and 30T. This is going to be there. Okay, this is the distance which is being traveled by Q. Okay, distance traveled by Q is minus 10T and 30T. We are writing it in the form of matrices. So now position of Q, position of Q after P. So how will I write it? I will write it OQ multiplied by OQ plus VQ multiplied by T. Okay. So what was OQ given to me? OQ was given 80 and 20. OQ was given 80 and 20. This one VQ into T was coming minus 10T and 30T. Okay, and again we are going to add them. So when I will be simplifying it, my answer is going to be 80 minus 10T and 20 plus 30 into T. This is position of P after time T second, and this is position of Q after time T hours, not second, hours. Okay, this is the first part which they have asked for. Now, B part of the question is saying that at 1400 hours, distance between P and Q. This I have to find. Okay, at 1400 hours, I have to find what is the distance between P and Q. So first of all, I have to find 1400 hours means the working has started from 1200 hours. Okay, and now we are at 14 hours, 1400 hours. So it means 2 hours has passed in time. Okay, 2 hours has passed in time. So how I am going to work with that thing? Now, first of all, the position of P at 1400 hours. What will I do? What was the value coming? The value is coming this one, 20T over 50 plus 10T. So 20 into 2, 50 plus 10 into 2. Okay, so simplifying it, 22 40 and 10 to the 20 plus 50 will be 70. That's the position of P at 1400 hours. Now, position of Q at 1400 hours. So what was Q given? This is the Q values. So 80 minus 10 into 2 and 20 plus 30 into 2. Simplifying it. So this will become 20. 80 minus 20 will be 60. 30 into 2 will be 60 plus 20 will be 80. Okay, so that's the position of Q at 1400 hours. Now what I have to find? I have to find distance between PQ. I have to find distance between PQ. So distance between PQ means what? I will take Q value first. What is my Q value coming? 60 and 80. That's my Q value coming. Minus, okay, minus P value. What is P value? 40 and 70. Okay. So when I will simplify it, PQ equals to 60 minus 40, that is coming 20, and 80 minus 70, that is coming 10. Okay. So I have got this thing in vectors form, 20 and 10. This will not show you the distance, this will show you the vector form. Okay, and I have to do what? I have to find, okay, basically what is the distance over there? I'm not getting distance right now, I have got my position. 20 and, like if I will write it, it will become 20I and 10J. So how will I convert it into distance? For that, I am going to do distance equals to. Okay, I am going to do distance equals to, and what will be the value? 20 square, 20 square. Just like we do in the distance formula, which we have already done in vectors. So what I am going to do, I will be taking this one, 20 square plus 10 square. Okay, 20, because this is in the vector form. This is not the vector distance value. This is in the vector form. I have to find distance value. So when we are going to simplify it, the distance is coming. Distance equals to 22.4 meter, and that is going to be your final answer. That is the distance of PQ. Okay, the distance between PQ is coming 22.4 meter. Okay, that's your final value of P part is coming. Okay. Okay, now, so in the third part, they are saying that we have to determine, that is our third part now of the same question. They are saying that we have to determine that either P and Q will meet. We have to determine that P and Q will meet or not. This is the question. This is the third part of the question which we are doing. So when they are saying that P and Q are going to meet, it means that at that meeting point, the distance of P or distance of Q from the origin will be same. Okay, that's the simple concept. Of course, if they are meeting at some point, it means for that point, the distance from origin of P and distance of Q from origin should be same. So what will we do? It means that 20T 50 plus 10t. Okay, 20t plus 20t and 50 plus 10t. That was P position after time t, which we don't know when they are going to meet or either they are going to meet or not. Okay, should be equals to 80 minus 10t and 20 plus 30t. Okay, now if they are going to meet, it means these two should be same. Okay, or if I'm saying that they are meeting, these two should be same. So what I'm going to do, I will compare first element with first element and second element with second element, and I will try to get the value of t from both of them. If I will get same value of t from both component, it means that p and q are going to meet. But if the t value will not be same because it should be the same time, either we are talking by x-axis or y-axis, it should be the same time where p and q are meeting. If the value of t is not going to be same, it means that p and q are not going to meet. Okay, that's the whole concept. So let's see either it is meeting or not. We are going to check this thing right now. Okay, we will be finding p t from this component and this component, and I will be finding that either it is meeting or not. Okay, so first of all, 20t equals to 80 minus 10t minus 10t shifted over here. 20t plus 10t equals to 80. 30t equals to 80 and t equals to 80 over 30, which is t equals to 8 over 3, which we can write it as 2 whole number 2 over 3. That's the value of t which I have got when I have compared first one. If I will get the same thing by comparing this one, it means they are going to meet over here. Okay? So comparing them, 50 plus 10t equals to 20 plus 30t. Okay, so 50 minus 20 equals to 30t minus 10t. 50 minus 20 will be 30, and 30 minus 10 will be 20t. So 30 over 20 equals to t. So when I will simplify it, this will become 3 over 2 equals to t, which is t equals to 1 whole number 1 upon 2. Okay. Now the value of t for both of them are different. It means that P and Q will not meet. Okay, P and Q will not meet in the given scenario.